Kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I'm gonna give you a recipe of salad, or you can use lemon and salad. Good for you to lose weight at home in your kitchen. I did one the other day with apple cider vinegar. We're gonna show you how you can use lemon juice and salad and make yourself a lovely salad at home and lose weight. This is another way how you can lose weight, guys. It's just fantastic. I want to say simple recipe, simple ideas do work effective. I want to say the more salad you eat, it is better for you, and you know what I mean, cut back on a lot of stuff like sugar, salt and all these sweet, you know what I mean, this stuff. Eat a lot of fruits, veg is really good for you. So I'm gonna give you a recipe of how you can lose weight in your home, and you know what I mean, you just look really fantastic, nice and lovely, and then you know what I mean, the salad will just do a work in your life. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. My name is Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for watching my show. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Google plus me, and also leave your comments and like and share and tell a friend. Thank you so much. 500 likes, 500 comments, brilliant. Thank you so much for watching the show, and stay tuned. Nice, I love it. So basically I'm going to give you a recipe of how you can use the salad and lose weight at home. First thing, I have a medium-sized carrot. I'm going to simple grate it. So that's the carrot. I got one red apple. Grate it. Nice one. One green apple. Grate it. So once you grate your apple and your carrot, that's it. Alright? Simple. I'm just going to be using my spoon and mix up the carrot. That's the carrot, and then what we're going to do is get some almond and just simply cut them into half and put it inside of it. Alright? So that's the almond, and very easy recipe. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the almond them. Nice one. I believe that amount of almond is pretty good. Roughly about 12 almond. Nice one. I got some iceberg lettuce. I'm gonna be cutting up the pop that straight inside of it. Cucumber. Just cut up the cucumber very small. I'm using half a cucumber. And 2 medium-sized tomato. You can use either fresh lemon or lemon juice. So I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice in it. Roughly about a teaspoon. And also some honey. Just not too much of the olive oil. Just a little pinch of olive oil. And just a little bit of cracked pepper. It's a fantastic recipe, guys. Honestly, I know you guys will love this one. Really, really lovely. So, what we're gonna do, you just use my hand and just marinate up the salad together. As you can see, this is another way how you can lose weight at home with salad. But when you're using your honey, get the raw honey. That's the best one to use. Really nice. And I want to say the almond is really good. But as you can see, guys, that's the recipe, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with. So hopefully you will like the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments below. We've got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. Subscribe is very important. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Got a lot more ideas for you. See you next time. Bye bye.